All right, here is another particular paid study where you can make money by uploading different, um, training activities, or become a coach or whatever you want to do to make your own TV network. So please go ahead and sign up using an email or like your Google email address. And so let's see how it works. So you're going to explore new workouts or create your own fitness channel. So if you are into the fitness niche, this is really good. And what's nice about it is it has its own algorithm, and so you will get noticed, directly on here, and you don't have to subscribe to, make your own channel. But it's nice to have your own channel. If you do have enough of a following, you can make this into a two-side hustle. And what I mean by that is that once you build your audience from creating your fitness channel on this particular website, perspiretv.com, you can translate that over into, really, you can make it a three-side hustle. So not only this particular one, then you can have people subscribe to your YouTube channel or your Instagram or TikTok or whatever channel, other channels and then you can make money from those wells too if you build enough of a following. But just for this particular side hustle, you can build a fitness channel, like creating different fitness modules. You can use AI for this fitness channel. And then once you build enough of a following, you can tell them to say, hey, I have another YouTube channel that's the same exact like this, so subscribe to that. And then not only that, I have a TikTok. So you can make this into a three. That's what I mean by that. It can actually be made into a multi-side hustle, but we're not going to get too crazy about that. So please make sure that you are doing your due diligence to, you know, um, really take a look at this, because it's going to be really imperative that you do this the right way. So you're going to set up your fitness account. You're going to create your fitness account. So you're going to put your bio, what you're about, maybe some promotional photos on this particular Perspire TV network. Mind you, it's going to be your own fitness channel, so it won't say Perspire. This is just the website that you're hosting it on. And you're going to put your about section, maybe some of the clients that you had in the past. You're going to create your full channel, put some logos on it, put some testimonials, stuff like that. And it's going to be pretty simple. And you can even register to become a trainer. Um, so um, new, go ahead and click user account, and it's going to ask you like for your name, email address, phone number, and all of that stuff. And then after that, you're going to fill out all the profile information that you want about your particular channel. So make sure that you're doing your due diligence to really take your time to look at all of this. And they have so many different categories that you can potentially, get into. Um, A lot of people don't know about this Perspire TV network, but it's a really good way to start getting your followings up, and then cross promoting your, content over to other, you know, social medias. But other than that, I'm not going to hold you guys. I hope this has worked for you. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description. But other